What's up guys, Pedro here, and on this video I'm going to give you my top 5 gift ideas under $50 for the DIYer in your circle. Coming up right after this. Welcome back. If we're just meeting, my name is Pedro, and on this channel we like to share just about anything DIY. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the notifications button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's get right into the video. So number 5 on my list is a stud finder. Everybody needs a stud finder. I've got this old one right here. This thing has been around and it's time to upgrade. I think I'm going to get this particular one here. At the time of this recording, it was $22.48. It's 44% off. The high end of these, there's 5 different models here, and the high end is $47.99. But this particular model, what it will detect wood, metal, and live AC wires, and that's in the floor, in the ceiling, or on the walls. These things are great, man. You need them for hanging, especially pictures or mirrors, stuff like that. I can't tell you how often I use mine. Also, like a TV mount. If you're going to mount a TV, you really want to get into a stud. I've got a couple TVs on the wall here, and they use a single stud for the mount, and that stud finder, I was able to use a stud finder to find the studs for it. Anyways, everybody needs one of these. That is a really good price for one. I mean, you can any kind of gift, a birthday, or that would be even good in a stocking stuffer, or a Christmas gift. But okay, that's number 5 on my list. Let's go to number 4. Okay, number 4 on my list is a drill. Everybody needs a drill. This particular one is a Black & Decker. At the time of this recording, it's 27% off. It's normally $39.99. It's for sale right now for $29 even. I picked the Black & Decker out for the name. There's probably cheaper ones on here, different brands, but this one's got a pretty good rating. It's 4.6 stars out of over 6,000 reviews. So like I said, everybody needs a drill. I'd get a drill set, small drill set to go with it, and a screwdriver set as well. But that's a really good price for this particular drill. And that's number 4 on my list. So let's go to number 3. Number 3, we got a skill saw, or circular saw is what it's technically called, but this brand is Skill. And if you don't have a miter saw or a table saw, you've got to have one of these. This particular model at the time of this recording is $49.97. That's 17% off the regular price, which is $59.99. So I'm pushing it there if you don't buy it soon. But okay, so true story. I have a skill saw that was given to me when I was 14 years old, and I'm 58 now, so that makes that saw 44 years old. I want to show you this saw. Let me move this up here. Widen this up a little bit just so you can see it better. And grab my saw here. And it is a Skill brand, circular saw. This joker's 44 years old. I've never changed the cord on it. It's the original cord, and it works like a champ. Original cord. It's kind of dirty, sorry, but you know. It's awesome. It's a must-have. Like I said, if you don't have a miter saw or a table saw, that's a must-have. I'll make this. I don't like it that big. Let's go down. Yeah, like that. And that's number 3 on the list. Let's go to number 2. Okay, and
gift ideas under $50. And my number 2 choice is this socket set here. And this is not a large set, and it's not really a small set. It's a pretty decent size in between. And it comes in at $40.97 at the time of this recording. That's 9% off of the regular price, which is $44.97. And this it's a good little set. It comes with a 1/4 inch drive and a 3/8 inch drive. And it comes with all different types of sockets. You can read in the description here which types. It's got some metric and it's got some regular, deep well and shallow sockets. And it also comes with this screwdriver kit, which is awesome. And coming in at $40.97. It makes a good, whether it be Father's Day or a birthday gift or a Christmas present or whatever, what have you. Makes a pretty decent little gift under $50. So with that being said, let's go on to my number 1 gift idea under $50. Okay, and the number 1 gift ideas under $50 is an oscillating tool. This thing comes in handy. It's very versatile. This particular model comes with a wood cutting blade, a scraper, and a sanding pad, and it has a quick release on it. I have an oscillating tool. I spent a little more than double what this one costs. But let's see. This is a good tool to have at this price right here, and this brand apparently is pretty popular on Amazon. It's only got 49 ratings, but it's at 4.6 stars, so that's pretty darn good. And it comes in at $41.73. Now, let's see. I'm going to show you a video. First of all, let's come down here. Okay, here's a comparison to, let me move this out of the way a little bit here. Shrink her down a little bit. Okie dokie. This is the model right here that we're looking at is 4173, and you've got another one here for $45. I don't know this brand at all. And you've got another one of the same brand for $45. But I was looking at it, and this has a quick release for your blades, and this one does not. That's what I didn't like about this one. Let's look at this real quick. And also it's regularly $54.99. It's like reduced price 17% at $45.60. It comes with almost the same stuff, but a hard case instead of a soft case. Also, it comes with a couple extra sanding pads, but like I said, it doesn't have the quick release on it, which I find very handy. Mine is even a toolless blade changing. But let's see. Okay, so there's a video here. This video, I'm going to speed it up so just give you an idea of what it can do. This is a real handy option right here. Being able to cut through so precisely in drywall.
Remember when?
Okay, so that just gives you an idea of some of the things that this tool can do. I bought mine for a specific reason. I bought mine to do when I was putting in some laminated flooring in our old house, and I had to cut door jambs, and it can cut flush. It can cut flush the door jambs, and it just came in really handy putting in that laminate flooring. But this is a really good tool. That's a really good price. They have a bunch of them, different kinds. Now, with that tool being that cheap, you might want to invest in some of these blades. These are really cheap at this time, the time I'm recording this. There's 38% price drop at $16.14. They're normally $25.99, and you get a bunch. Whoops, that's not the one I wanted. Sorry. You get a bunch of different types of blades. Now, these blades will cut metal. Some of them cut wood. Some of them cut wood and metal. But that's a pretty good variety pack right there for the price. If you wanted to add that to your tool. But like I said, they've got so many different types and so many different price ranges, and they have different models under $50 as well. But I know this brand is real popular on Amazon. They even have battery powered ones. But the prices start getting on up there. Like I said, I paid more than double for mine. But it's a very handy tool. Okay, there you have it.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please hit the like button and share it if you're so inclined. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Until next time, God bless. Y'all take care. Okay, I forgot to mention that I will put a link to all the products that I showed you in the description below. Until next time, God bless. Y'all take care.